6. Thank you for volunteering to help out with your Year 6 Islefest stand. Zoe and I'm Peggy, Molly's mum, and we have set up a task for you for your Islefest stall. You will be making these bracelets / key rings or bookmarks. So I have some for my bookmark as a bookmark. I also use some for my keys, and we will be selling these and making them for Islefest. And you have a round, I'll show you, a round keyring fob, a heart-shaped keyring fob, or a star keyring fob. And these are all going to be put in together for kit form. Oh yeah, and this is the bracelet, which is rather nice because it has a little slip knot that you can tighten it and loosen it off. You can see the lovely bright colours. So first of all, I need your help in making what we call the loom. It is a round piece of cardboard with a hole in it with 8 little notches around the edge, if you can see. And this will form your loom, where you will attach your 7 pieces of yarn to then be able to weave and make the bracelet here. You can see that all right. And I'll show you that in the next video. But first of all, you need to find some cardboard from a random box. You need a pair of scissors, potentially an adult present, but I think you should be okay. Don't hold me to that. A cup or anything round. It doesn't have to be a cup. I just happen to have a paper cup, a pen to draw around, and a pencil to form the hole. Okay, so I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to put it against the piece of cardboard I just cut out of the packaging. I'm going to put it on top like this. You can do this on in your own time. You don't have to follow me now. And I'm going to take my pen. And also probably do it on a table, it's a bit easier, or on the floor. And you're going to draw round your cup to make a circle. So I'll do that quickly, make it circle. Okay, make a circle. Right, you can do a couple of those if you want to. I'm going to draw 2 on this bit because there's enough room. And I want to take your scissors, and then you can cut out that circle. So cut it out, chop, chop, chop. And this is one I made earlier. And then in the middle with a pencil, I want you to mark the centre. It doesn't have to be exact. As you can see, I've just put a dot on a surface, potentially not your mum and dad's kitchen table or your carer's kitchen table or the school kitchen table. You will probably need a little bit of help with this. Take a blunt pencil and put it on top of the hole and push down, and that will form a little tiny hole like this. And then what you need to do is put your pencil through the hole, just slowly add a bit of pressure the other side. Make sure your finger isn't on the hole because that would really hurt. Make sure your 2 fingers are to the side and just push through like that, just twisting slowly, and then you've made a hole, and then you can take it out, and that is perfect. Look at that lovely round hole there. Right, when you have your card like this, you need to put in 8 notches. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of it like a clock. So you've got number 12. This might be a slightly reverse when I do it, so please don't judge me on my clock making. Number 3, number 6, and number 9. Can you see there? And then you will also need the ones in the middle. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Make them relatively equal around, and there should be 8 little dots, so, or points. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put my lid on my pen, and you take your scissors. You very carefully and gently just use your scissors to put a tiny little slit in there. Okay, so you go round and just go where the notches were and just put a little slit. It doesn't have to be all the way through, just a tiny one, less than a centimetre long, facing the centre of your circle. You should do 8 of those, and when it's finished it looks like this. And I also have one over here. Great, that's how you make your loom. Thank you.